Hi there, welcome to this course where you learn how to create responsive website design for desktop and for mobile, and then you will face challenge how to create your website for tablet version. Then you learn that how to create professional logos, and I wish that everyone on this earth who actually going to design their logos should must watch this chapter because this is so awesome. Either you are a beginner to graphic design or any master or professional, you will definitely going to get something from this chapter which gonna be very important for you. After that you will learn that how to create professional business cards, icons, envelopes, letterhead, CD labels, and obviously you will going to learn that how to create your graphics for social medias, for Facebook, for Twitter, for Google Plus, and for YouTube. Then you will learn that how to find inspiration for your next project. So whether you are going to design websites or logos or business card or CD labels or letterhead or envelopes, you need inspiration, and in inspiration chapter you will get all this knowledge. After that you will learn that how to create mockups and then showcase your design to your clients. And finally you will learn that how to sell your graphic design to some marketplaces where you can actually earn passive income. Hi, my name is Rahul Giri and I will lead you throughout this course. I have degree in information technology and I am an entrepreneur, web developer and enthusiast graphic designer, and I can't wait to just show you that what you're going to learn in this course. But before giving you a peek of entire contents you are going to learn in this course, I just want to tell you that in the last week, in first week of December 2016, I have added an entire brand new chapter to this course which is 7 hours long. So now this course is 17 plus hour long. So why not, let's start with new addition to this course. So the new chapter I have added to this course, that name is Business Stationery Package Design, and I have designed this stationery package for thejsinterview.com. This is the site actually I own, and actually I have only purchased domain yet because this is my upcoming course which is going to release in couple of months. So now let me just give you a quick peek that what you are going to learn. So at the very first you are going to learn that how to create this horizontal business card design. So this is printer friendly. If you want to print it, you can just go ahead and just give it a command to your printer and it will going to print very fine because these business cards are printer friendly. After this you are going to learn that how to create the same business card but the vertical version. Here we go. And after this you are going to learn that how to create standard 10 size envelope design. Well, this design is based on US Postal Service. After this one I also showed you that how to create this flippable envelope design. So this is really important. Sometimes your client can ask you, so you can easily design it. So this is actually the same like this one, but this is gonna be little bit different here. Now in the next you will learn that how to create this big size envelope design, and after this you are going to learn that how to create letterhead design for your businesses. So in the left side you can see this is empty one, in the right side this is actual letterhead how it's gonna look like. Then you learn that how to create invoice. This is also very simple but this is really cool. Then you learn that how to create this CD label design. Because I designed this stationery package for my upcoming course, so that's why I have also designed this CD label. So if I want to place my upcoming course in CDs, I can easily do that. And if your client asks you for CD design, then you can also do that. After this, the social media presence is really important. So I have also showed you that how to design your graphics for social medias. In this case, I showed you for Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter and YouTube. Well, before designing your graphics for social media, there's a lot of things you need to consider first. So guess what? You can design your graphics for Facebook, Twitter and Google Plus easily, but for YouTube this is really important because if you are going to access YouTube, it should also look awesome in televisions, TV, and I showed you that how to design your graphics which is going to look awesome in mobile devices, web and even in televisions. So this is really a great video. Well, apart from this, we're actually going to design some individual stuff which is already here since the course is launched. So what are those? Well, professional logo designs. Well, in this case you can see here fresh coffee logo design. So you can see there's a fresh coffee logo, there's the editor logo, and you will learn that how to create this amazing logo in this course. After that, you will learn that how to sketch this icon, then just create it in Illustrator and then color it so it will look this much awesome. After that, you're going to learn that how to create a website for desktop and for mobile. So first you will create a wireframe and prototype, and then you will create this amazing website both for desktop and mobile. After that, you're going to learn that how to create this business card. Well, this chapter is already, since this course is launched, so we'll definitely going to get something very inspirational stuff from this business card design. So this is the horizontal one, and there's actually a square one. Well, this is really important. You can see here in the left side there's a John Doe icon designer. Well, you can see here at the back side I have just placed it empty and I just placed here notes. So guess what, I got your business card and I really want to give you a contract for icon design. So I need to decide that which icon I want to be get designed by you. So I can simply make notes behind this business card and I can hand over to you so you can design this icon and ship it to me. So this is really great. And by the way, this is square business card design. After that, you will learn that how to create this vertical business card design, and after that I will show you that how to create mockup and then showcase your design. So by the way, here you can see there's a logo, your website, how to showcase your mobile website, then your business cards. Okay, so also you can see here that is actually going to fall down here. This is really great, and much more. So after you learn, understand and practice, you will become master in business graphic design. And obviously after that I will show you that how you can actually earn some passive income for your graphic design. So I will give you some resources, some marketplaces where you can actually sell your graphic design and earn money. So this course is designed for everyone, whether you want to learn graphic design or you want to be a graphic designer, either you beginner or expert. This course is for you. Just give me your hard work, time, trust and dedication, and I will make you master in graphic design, and I'll show you the different way you can earn money through designing graphics. So I hope you are excited as I am. I just can't wait to share my experience with you and tell you everything about graphic designing and earn money from them I know so far. So thank you so much for your time. See you in the course.